Hey there, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the best places to share your Amazon affiliate links. If you're not familiar with Amazon Associates, it's a program that allows you to earn commissions on qualifying purchases made through your unique affiliate links. There are a lot of different places where you can share your Amazon affiliate links, but not all of them are created equal. In this video, I'll share the top 10 places where you can get the most exposure and earn the most commissions. 1. Your own website or blog. This is probably the best place to share your Amazon affiliate links. When you have your own website or blog, you have complete control over the content and the way it's presented. You can write reviews of products, create product roundups, or even just have a dedicated section for affiliate links. 2. Social media. Social media is another great way to share your Amazon affiliate links. You can post links to products on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest pages. Just make sure to use relevant hashtags and captions so that people can find your posts. 3. Email marketing. If you have an email list, you can use it to promote your Amazon affiliate links. Send out regular newsletters or promotional emails that include links to products that you think your subscribers would be interested in. 4. YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, you can use it to share your Amazon affiliate links. Create videos about products that you're passionate about and include links to those products in the description. 5. Pinterest. Pinterest is a great platform for visual content, so it's a natural fit for sharing Amazon affiliate links. Create pinnable images of products that you're promoting and include your affiliate links in the captions. 6. Reddit. Reddit is a popular social media platform where people can share links to content that they find interesting. You can post links to products on relevant subreddits, but be sure to follow the subreddit rules before you do. 7. Forums. There are a lot of forums where people can discuss products and services. You can post links to products on relevant forums, but be sure to participate in the discussions and add value before you start promoting your links. 8. Guest blogging. Guest blogging is a great way to get exposure for your Amazon affiliate links. When you guest blog on another website, you can include links to products that you're promoting. Just make sure that the links are relevant to the content of the blog post. 9. Ebooks. If you create an ebook, you can include links to products in the ebook. This is a great way to promote products to a targeted audience. 10. Webinars. If you host webinars, you can include links to products in the webinar. This is a great way to promote products to a live audience. Tips for sharing your Amazon affiliate links. Be honest and transparent. Always be honest and transparent about the fact that you're an Amazon affiliate. This means disclosing that you're making a commission if someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. Only promote products that you believe in. Only promote products that you believe in and that you would recommend to your friends and family. This will help you build trust with your audience and they'll be more likely to click on your links. Use relevant keywords. When you're sharing your Amazon affiliate links, use relevant keywords so that people can find them when they're searching for products online. Track your results. It's important to track your results so that you can see which strategies are working and which ones aren't. This will help you optimize your efforts and make more money. So those are the top 10 places where you can share your Amazon affiliate links. By following these tips, you can get the most exposure and earn the most commissions. Thanks for watching. Call to action. If you want to learn more about Amazon Associates, be sure to check out the Amazon Associates website. You can also sign up for my email list to get tips and tricks on how to make money with Amazon Associates.